Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Surwan Afandi, just call me Fandi, and I am from Rebel 7. I will discuss here the legal system in France. France is a country with a metropolitan area located in Western Europe, and France has various islands and overseas territories located on other continents. France borders Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, Monaco, Andorra, and Spain. France is a developed country with the sixth largest economy, or eighth largest in the world. France is one of the founding countries of the Europe Union, and France has the largest territory of all members. France is also a founding country of the PBB. France is also a member of the Francophonie, G8, NATO, and the Latin Union. France is one of the 5 permanent members of the PBB Security Council. France also has a large nuclear power with 360 active warheads, and France also has 59 nuclear power plants. Before legal unification in France, various laws applied, namely Germanic law and Roman law. In the northern and central parts, local law or Pays de droit coutumier applies, namely ancient French customary law which originated from German law. In the south, Roman law or Pays de droit écrit applies. Apart from marriage law, there are laws established by the Catholic Church, namely canonical law, and which apply throughout France. With so many laws in force in France feel that there is no legal certainty and legal unity. With this, the French state has become aware of how important legal unity or legal unification is. On March 21, 1804. French codification was formed with the name Code Civil des Français, which was promulgated as Code Napoleon in 1807. This legal codification was the first and most complete national codification and could be applied to overcome existing problems. In 1807, France proclaimed the Code Civil des Français, or Code Napoleon, which was the first legal codification in the world. The legal system adopted by France is the continental Europe legal system, or what is called civil law. The implementation of the codified law in the Roman Empire during the reign of Emperor Justinianus in the 6th century BC. The legal principles of Corpus Juris Civilis, or called codified law, become the foundation for the formulation and codification of law in the countries of Germany, the Netherlands, France, Italy, Latin America, and the Asian region, including Indonesia, when it was colonized by the Dutch. Civil law is a legal system based on Britain's statutory regulation. The characteristic of the civil law system is: number 1, judges are not bound by precedent. Number 2, there is a codification system. And the last, the judiciary adheres to an inquisitorial system. Civil law countries are countries that pay attention to the source of law or regulation, law, and legislation. Civil law is applied in most Western Europe countries, Latin America, Eastern countries, part of Africa, Indonesia, Japan, and so on. The French legal system used the continental Europe system, which adheres to the legalism school and the positivism school. The legalism school is a school that believes that all laws are contained in the law, or that the law is identical to the law. This set holds firmly that all social problems will be resolved immediately if a law is issued that regulates them. Meanwhile, the positivism school is usually called the legitimism school. This school emphasizes written law. According to this school of thought, there are no legal norms outside positive law. According to Austin, law is independent of issue of justice and issue of good and bad. This flow of legal positivism strengthens the flow of legalism, which is a school. There is no law outside the law. The law is the only source of law, and the law is identified with the law that must be obeyed by society. The basis of the continental Europe legal system is law obtains binding force because it is realized in regulation in the form of law and is arranged systematically in a certain codification or compilation. Legal certainty can be realized if human action in social life are regulated by legal regulation written. The source of law in the continental legal system is law, where this law is formed by the holder of legislative power. Regulation made by the holder of executive power are recognized based on the authority stipulated in law. Based on this source, the continental legal system can be classified into two areas, namely public law and private law. Public law itself includes legal regulation that regulate the power, authority of rules, and the relationship between society and the state. Meanwhile, private law includes legal regulation that regulate the relationship between individual and individual and legal entities, and legal entities and legal entities. In France, there are special state administrative justice bodies with competence or authority in certain fields or limited to certain matters. The special form of the state administrative justice system in France is the organizational structure of the town judiciary, which stands alone and is separate from the general judiciary, and is not even included in the judicial environment. French law is divided into two main parts, namely personal law and general law. Personal law includes civil law and criminal law, then general law includes administrative law and constitutional law. However, in practice, French law consists of the three main parts, namely civil law, criminal law, and administrative law. The French state does not recognize religious law, nor does it recognize religious belief or morality as a motivation for enacting prohibition. And thank you.